We are starting really quickly with this makeup look. I felt like just sitting down and doing my makeup. Starting off with Haus Lab Foundation. And then I love this color corrector, this Peachy from Huda Beauty. Moving on to a much lighter concealer under the eye, this Giorgio Armani. This is my favorite contour cream, this Milani. It's just like a really nice color, like between gray and warm. A perfect tone for olive skin. Of course, we're going to blend underneath the jaw and the cheeks, around the nose. My gosh, I get so excited to come in and do makeup again. It feels very nostalgic. Moving on to this matte concealer from Huda Beauty. I did place all the products on the side with titles because to figure that out from the top of my head, it's a lot. When you're sitting here, all I want to do is just chat. I love this concealer, by the way. It's very matte. I love something a little brighter because then I like balance it with bronzer, anything on the cheeks. It just makes you feel like you have a full glam makeup when you do like a brighter concealer. We're going to spray this mist spray from Huda Beauty. Again, applying this much concealer and this much foundation, I want to keep hydrating the face. If I don't, I'm going to crack and it's going to be a little dry, which I'm still struggling with this foundation. For my nose, I'm always kind of touching up my nose then and there. This one's the Gucci powder. Moving on to cream stick right here. This one's Laura Mercier. It felt pretty creamy and nice, but I did notice that applying foundation before, like foundation on the eyelid, it did lighten that up. I am curious to try this without any foundation on the eye. But it was a really neutral, nice color. It worked really well together. I loved this look for the day. I felt really pretty. Now for the shimmer, this Moonlight from Laura Mercier, my goodness, my absolute favorite. It just gives you like a sparkle. It is ethereal, it is soft, it is exactly the cherry on top when it comes to makeup. I am using brown eyeshadow and then I blend it in, touching it up with a brown eyeliner. I love that bit of smoky, but I do love a bold eyeliner as well. Applying Too Faced mascara, which by the way, completely surprised me. I don't know, my lashes looked so good this day. This mascara was so black. For blush, I'm going to do this Milani powder. This one is like a really sun-kissed bronzer. Instead of going for like mauves and pinks, I kind of wanted to just do something a little bit more warm this time around. Moving on, my lips. Okay, I have a ton of steps on this, but I am huge about my lips. I want them to look dolly. I want them to look cute. So here's my new favorite thing, this lip stain from Huda Beauty. When it comes out, it is beautiful. The formula is not very consistent, but it is so freaking good. If they could just fix the formula, it would be a 10 out of 10. I like to place them in the middle, the top, and at the bottom. Moving on to this pinky brown, which is my favorite. I've been through like, I don't know, 3-4 of these at this point. It's just like the perfect color tone for me. Then we're going to touch it up with a more warm brown lip liner, just a bit of it. And my favorite so far, this lip gloss, She's Flirty from Huda Beauty. Spraying mist once again. Foundation powder one size underneath the eyes because I do not like applying setting powder underneath my eye. Only on the side of my nose. And I love this banana bread. If I apply it underneath my eyes and my eyes are going to get really dry and wrinkly, I don't like it. Here, look at me trying to do my hair. I'm like, okay, a little curly. We're going to pump it up a little bit. And I noticed that I needed to like touch up the lip a little bit. And to give that like dolly look, I clean up the sides and take it upward. And we are done. Okay, we're going to head out. Here's my outfit. This is such a cute sweater I found at the flea market. I'm showing you my outfit. I'm about to head out to the thrift store. It's a nice walk, like a nice to-do. And I found these beautiful heels from Steve Madden for 40 bucks. Like, a win
put on Haus
is a win.
foundation, which I love because I love the coverage, but it's way too dry for my skin. My next makeup hunt is a good foundation that will give me like a good color coverage.
To be honest, I got a little in my head in this video because I feel like I don't quite have a proper formula yet. But then I thought that, what the heck? Like, when we start to put rules, we start to suck the fun out of creation. And I don't want to do that anymore. So, cheers to a formula that's not quite there, but I will keep evolving.